Thank you, Papa Moderator, Papa Clerk, and all invited guests. I present the PCG statistics for 2024. This is going to be the presentation outline, introduction, 24 at a glance, PCG membership, presbytery membership, conclusion, and recommendation. So this presentation is compiled by the Committee on Information, Statistics, and Planning from data collected from locals, districts, presbyteries for the year 2024 on PCG membership, agents, and contact points. So 2024 at a glance, ministers, we ended the year with 1,519, catechists 3,273, caretakers 2,136. Total membership, as has been announced, 1,469,767, and the growth rate 7.57. So this is the pattern. The red line there is our target, but unfortunately, as you can see, the blue line is shying away from it. And this is the growth rate trend. Our highest 9.2 2022 dropped to 8.3 2023, and 2024 7.57. So our Agenda 2 million analysis, as already announced, we added only 103,392 with a deficit of 530,233 to meet the 2 million agenda. So these are the generational growth rates. Children's service 7.4, JY 7.7, the highest 9.2, 9.2 by youth and YAP. So the gender membership, for the first time, male increased from 41 to 42% of the total membership, and female 58%. For the presbyteries, only 4 presbyteries hit the target. That's growing more than 10%. So those are the ones in red. And this shows the quantum of addition by the presbyteries. For Ashanti, adding more than 13,000, followed by Ghana and Akwapim. Children's service. Yes, here 7 presbyteries also achieved more than the 10% target. Junior youth, we have only 5 presbyteries doing more than 10%. For youth, that's 18 to 30 years, we have only 3 presbyteries doing that. Young adults, 3. Size of presbytery. Moderator, still Ashanti Presbytery is the largest, taking a portion of 14.4%. Ghana followed 13.7%, and Akwapim 9.8%. Percentage communicant. We have 5 That's 6 presbyteries doing less than 50% membership communicants. And we have Central doing as low as 33%, just a third are communicants. The highest from Ghana West, 82, Ghana 78. For agents, minister's profile, as you can see, we have 87% ordained ministers, 58% full-time, and 29% temps. The rest 13% are probationers. The membership ratio, we have as many as 11 presbyteries where a minister is seeing more than 1,000 members. The highest being West Brom, 1,740, followed by Sefi, 1,580. Let me skip this one. So, in conclusion, we have let this sink in us that our growth rate for 2024, 7.57, almost 60% of our population are youth, that's below 30 years. The highest growth rate by the generational group, youth 9.2% and adults, young adults 9.2. Even though the children below 12 years grew by 7.8, they contributed more members to the membership database, 30,320. Recommendations. We recommend the use of Robook to capture membership data for every member of PCG if you are not using software to manage your data. We say there should be regular updates of membership database in accordance with the provisions in our PCG constitution. Presbyteries must establish functioning information, statistics, and planning committees. And they are to validate and check data integrity before sending to the next court. So more effort be made to increase membership at the children's service. Here, even though they recorded 7.8% growth rate, as we could see, they added 30,320. Finally, we say here, every effort must be made to reverse the sinking growth rate. There's the urgent need for an intentional evangelism. And when we are talking about the sinking growth rate, as you can see, 2022, where we recorded the highest, 9.7, even that is not the target. Since then, we came down to 8.3, 7.3. What should be done? We recommend the Sankofa Spirit. And let's go back to look at our 10-year strategic plan, 2020 to 2029. That is the book where it was recommended that we should be growing at 144,541 every year. But that is our performance, and it's not showing very well. Papa Moderator, this ends my presentation. Thank you.
BCG TV. In that light, there is light.